has really been incredible. So we're going to play the song called Wicked World, which she wrote the lyrics for, and it's about a female serial killer.
Right, oh right, okay. So we've got Wicked World, followed by A Beast, a Priest, and then Never Said. There will be a guitar change at some point from Mark. But yeah, Kid Congo and the Pink Monkey Birds live in session. Thank you.
Great, thanks for having us, Mark.
Always a pleasure, mate.
Trouble with the devil's seed, every fork in the road let her hear. There's no forgiveness for her daddy's deed, for the mommy just disappeared. Life on the road, itching for tricks. Long hard drivers need their kicks. Trouble with the devil's seed, every fork in the road let her hear. There's no forgiveness for her daddy's deed, or for the mommy who just disappeared. Life on the road, itching for tricks. Long hard drivers need their kicks. Come on, Eileen, let's let off some steam out. Pull off the road, you know what I need. What do you think when they see a girl looking for saints, looking for whores? There's a wicked, wicked world. You won't be here anymore. You shouldn't be here anymore. It's a wicked, wicked world. It's a wicked, wicked world. It's a wicked world. Before you let her in your car, did you see her old bullet scar? Is she really evil or just insane? Is she evil or just in pain? She checked in at the last resort, but everybody sold her short. Come on, Eileen, let's hear you speak out. Just plead for mercy, beg for your life. What do they think when they see a girl looking for saints, looking for whores? This is a wicked, wicked world. You shouldn't be here anymore. You don't want to be here anymore. It's a wicked, wicked world. It's a wicked, wicked world.